guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and we are on day 4 for sneak peeks. Our brand new box of the month will release on December 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. So here are all the cards that I've created so far. You can go back to each video to see how I made them. Today we're revealing another stamp set, and this one is called Cozy Forest Friends. I think it is a really cute stamp set. They're like peeking critters, and I have a lot of ideas for this stamp set. You can have them popping out of something, peeking through like a window. I'm going to make something really cute I have in mind for the hop on the first. So I'm thinking that these could be little pull tabs for like a gift card or something. So I'm going to see what I can come up with. But they come with a fox, a reindeer, a beaver, a rabbit, a bear, a tree, and 3 sentiments. The first sentiment reads, "No winter is too cold when you have enough love. Wake me when winter is over, and I'm wild about you." You can even use it for Valentine's Day with that sentiment. I decided to take out the Whimsy card builder die. It has these wonky windows, so I thought it would be perfect for the little critters to be peeking out from each window. And I used for the background paper here, I used the brand new paper that's going to be in your box. The paper is called Bonds in Winter, and there's some beautiful prints in here. So remember, you don't have to use all the prints together. You can take one of your favorite prints and pair it up with some cardstock, some matching cardstock. So I'm going to put this part of the card together. I am thinking I want to pop it up so I could tuck the little critters in there. So I'm going to put some foam tape on the back of this. But first I want to glue down these little windows. And a little trick, when I can remember, is to have this in place. Now I can use some repositionable tape or something to hold it in place. So I line it up perfectly. So now I can glue in these windows. So now I can remove the tape. And then remove my panel. And now I can add some foam tape and lift this up and have it perfectly lined up. I think I'm going to add some white splatters to this background to jazz it up. I'm getting out my splatter box this time, and I'm re-wetting the dried gouache that I left on my acrylic block from my last project. And I'm just going to splatter. Now I have a fun background. So I'm just going to add foam tape to the back. I've got all my tape on, so I'll just take it off, line it up, and then we'll color some critters. I'm going to do some coloring with my Copic markers. I'm going to play some music while you watch the coloring, and then I'll meet you back on the other side and we'll finish up the card. I'm going to trim this guy out a little bit so he fits down in there a little bit more. So I'll just take a little bit off the bottom here. And now he'll fit down in there. So I'm just going to glue these straight on. I'm not going to pop them up so they look like they're inside the windows. I think this is really, really cute. I got to think of something to dress up the card a little bit more. So don't forget to come back tomorrow for our last day of peaks. Hopefully I can do a live tomorrow. That would be really fun. But I am having some painting done, so I'm not sure if that will be done on by tomorrow, so we will see. If not, just join me at 1 p.m. Central Time. I'll have a video up for you, hopefully, with the last peak. And if you want to join our Box of the Month subscription, you can probably still grab a box from November and then choose monthly before checkout, and then you'll reserve your December box as well. But if you don't want the November box, then just wait till December 1st to check out. Be sure to shop early for the best selection. So this is looking really cute. So I gotta think about what sentiment I want on my card. So I'm gonna look at that. I think I might do a friendly hello, like right here. And then we'll think of some other way to dress this up. I added some foam tape to my sentiment, and I'm just going to add that right there between these two. And then I think this would look so cute with some snowflakes. Let me look in my stash to see if I have any snowflake embellishments. Okay, I grabbed some things. I have the snow bloom from This Calls for Confetti. You would have got this in one of your boxes. It's also available in the shop. And there's some snowflakes in here. So I'm going to pour some of this out and then grab the snowflakes. I thought these might look good too, mixed in there for some sparkly sparkles. And I also have these blues. And this one is the turquoise, the Bring on the Bokeh turquoise. So let me grab the snowflakes. And I think I'm going to put like one of the gems in the middle to cover the hole. I have pink gems that come in the snow bloom. I think I'll put those on there too. They match the pink cheeks. There, I think that looks super, super cute. And that completes today's card. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you are excited about the December box, and let me know which critter is your favorite out of these three: the fox, the bear, or the beaver. So thanks so much for stopping by, guys, and I'll catch you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time.